Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 47 says value can be classified into dash. That is, we can classify value into what and what. And we'll talk of value. Value is the standard. Is the standard of people which governed their behavior, and that is value. Then option A says justice and injustice, B positive and negative, C private and public, D social and political, E valuable and invaluable. Value can be classified into positive and negative, so that is 2. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.